Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to customize Shopify footer menu. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first you need to head to your sales channel from the left side of your screen. Then you need to head to your online store and then themes. Once you're on your theme section, click on customize and you're about to be editing our footer. So scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you can see the footer. So let's just say you want to incorporate various social media icons here. For that you can head over to the left side of your screen. You can see your social media icons here and you need to head over to, let me show you, you can head over to your settings and there you have your theme settings, layout and all that stuff. So in the media, and if I further scroll down, you can see we have social media. You can add your YouTube, anything. If you enter in here, you will be able to see a YouTube icon here and you can see it is now incorporated. You can add your link in here. Similarly for TikTok, if you want to enter in here this contact email box, you can either remove it if you want to do, and you can choose to customize your this text as well. So that's how easily you can customize your footer in Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.